The GoPro 6 has inbuilt image stabilisation, and in this clip I'm going to demonstrate how good, or not as the case may be, the GoPro 6's image stabilisation is. Here we have two clips running side by side of a recent bike ride. The clips were captured on the same ride on the same night and using the same settings. The only difference is that one clip was captured with the image stabilisation turned off and the other with the image stabilisation turned on, as clearly marked. Looking at the two clips side by side, it isn't difficult to see that the image stabilisation makes a huge difference in the stability of the footage. When the image stabilisation is turned off, the video is jerky, shaky, and likely to give you motion sickness watching it. Turn the image stabilisation on and the footage becomes super smooth. The image stabilisation on the GoPro 6 is exceptionally good and is a quick and surefire way to capture even better footage with this excellent action camera. There are times when image stabilisation reduces the impact of video footage, and in these circumstances it is better to turn the image stabilisation off. That said, there are times when image stabilisation enhances video footage and actually makes it better, such as recording road rides, like in these clips. The key to capturing the best video footage with the GoPro 6 is to know when and when not to use image stabilisation. In any case, it is a welcome addition. I should point out that both clips were captured using the GoPro 6 I bought with my hard-earned money. All opinions are my own and based on my own personal experience and use. Thank you for watching, and please do feel free to check out my other GoPro 6 videos.